What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, welcome back to the vlog. If it looks like I'm wearing the same thing as last video, that's because I am, because I literally just filmed the outro to last week's video. It's the same day, still -5 degrees, freaking cold outside. If you guys watched the last video, you know that tonight we're supposed to have like a possibly historic snowstorm coming. So I don't know what it's gonna do. They're saying we could get anywhere from 0 to like 365,000 inches of snow. So I have no idea what's gonna happen. But that being said, I want to get prepared. In the event that they call state of emergency and close down all the roads, I want to have my RZR ready to go so I can go ride all the roads, because last time this happened, like it was a bunch of years ago. We haven't had a big snowstorm like this in a long time, but the last time they declared state of emergency and closed down all the roads, we were out ripping our four-wheelers on the main roads and it was awesome. So I want to be able to have this ready to go, because maybe I'll even drive it to work on Monday. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what the snowstorm does. We have no clue what we're going to end up getting. If it does what they're projecting it to do, I feel like most of the roads will be closed down. So of course, we want to have the RZR ready to go so we can go rip the roads and stuff. It'll be a lot of fun. And yeah, it could be crazy. So I'm obviously filming. Basically, all I want to do is get this little battery charger hooked up. That way the battery's ready to go. This thing will start right up whenever I want to use it. With it being this cold, it's very hard on these batteries. And I want this thing to be ready to go if I want to use it. Positive, negative, and power. All right, there we go. She's going. Got her set to just maintain the battery, so we should be good. And whenever we want to ride it, she should be ready to go. Man, the calm before the storm. Look at this, blue skies. Nice sunny day. Other than the fact that it's freezing cold outside, it's a really nice day. But I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm hoping for either a massive snowstorm like they're saying, or we get absolutely nothing and then we can just go on with our lives. I don't want the little in-between stuff where it just screws up the roads and gets the roads all messy. And like, I either want to go big or absolutely nothing at all. So we'll see what happens. Truck is parked in the shed, all safe and sound. And storm is supposed to happen overnight tonight. So I will see you guys in the morning.
This is a Fox weather alert. A massive and record-breaking winter storm unfolding right now.
This morning, the South bracing for a major winter storm that could bring record-breaking snow and dangerous ice.
194 million Americans under winter storm alerts this morning.
That's going to bring wind chills over -50 Fahrenheit for north.
We said let it snow, and boy did it deliver. Guys, check this out. We got a huge snowstorm overnight. Look at this. We got probably at least 6 inches already, and it's literally only 9:30 in the morning. And it's gonna be snowing all day long into tomorrow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, so grab some corn for popping, because we got a big snowstorm. Now, of course, I wanna grab my RZR that I have on the charger over there, and I wanna go for a ride. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I know I need gas, so I'm gonna try to run down to the gas station, get some gas, and then just see what's going on, see if they're plowing the road, see what's happening, and maybe we'll ride around some more. But obviously, I'm gonna leave the camera here so it doesn't get ruined, because the snow is just blowing all different directions. So I'm gonna throw on my helmet, which has my GoPro on and a microphone, so you guys will be able to hear me and everything, and we'll get an awesome POV view. So let's cut to the helmet. Alrighty, here we go. Check this out. That's a lot of snow. Well, there we go. There's a plow truck already. He's pushing a lot of snow too. 100%, baby. Should start up, no problem. Just like that. All right. She's ready to ride. Shut the door. Can we survive in two-wheel drive? We can, but it won't be long before we're gonna need to put her in 4, because it's getting pretty thick out here. Gotta grab my supplies. All right, we're gonna put this stuff over here, try to cover it all up. There we go. Should keep that stuff mostly safe. All right. Harness is on. All right, let's do it. Oh yeah. Oh. It's awesome. I have a feeling I'm not going to be seeing many cars out on the road today. It'll be interesting to see what the main roads look like. What's he doing? Cleaning off his windows or something. It's like we're at a standoff. Who's gonna go first? I guess me. haven't plowed this road yet. Look at all the snow blowing in here. This is deep down here. I can't even see the road. Look at this, dude. Covered in snow. I am just covered in it. Let's put it in 4. Probably a good idea. I think this guy's turning around. I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna go past him. I don't know if they like me being out here or not. That guy wasn't real friendly. I waved, he didn't wave back. We're going this way. Dude, I can't even tell where the road is at here. This hasn't been touched by anything. No cars, no plows or anything. My hands are cold, my hands are frozen. Let me remind you guys, it's literally the morning still, and it's this bad. We are almost made it to the gas station. Town is dead. Oh, there's a car. Well, we made it here to get some gas. Oh, look at that. Look at my passenger seat, dude. Covered in snow. Good thing I put that blanket over my stuff. Let's top her off here with some gas. Should have brought some warmer gloves. My hands are cold, dude. Only premium for this beast. Oops. Spilled a little gas. That'll help melt the ice a little bit. Alright, how much does it cost to fill this sucker up? About 20 bucks.
No.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Thank you.
Same.
You too. Feel like I'm doing the Santa video again. Stop in here in town, get me a hot chocolate. Nobody cares that I'm in a side-by-side. It's the beauty of a small town. Some dude just honked. Now, let me just see here. That's a far drive. 12 minutes on the highway, but back roads 44 minutes. Oh, that's riding a bike. Yeah, I don't know that I want to go all the way over there. It would be fun though. You know, I didn't really think about the fact that with my helmet on, I can't really drink that hot chocolate. That was kind of dumb. Guys, we're going right up through the middle of town right now. Right up Main Street. There's a fire department right there. Act natural. They have no clue I'm here. Right over here is my grandma's house. Guys, this is an Amish schoolhouse right here. They still have school there. Act natural. Nothing going on here. Hey, that guy was friendly. He waved at me. That's the highway, guys. Woo! This is awesome. There's church. Church is closed today. All right, boys, we are almost there. This is a long drive, dude. In a side-by-side, especially. Like, this is a 15-minute drive in a vehicle on the highway and stuff. It's a pretty long drive to do in a side-by-side. Now, this is where I gotta be careful. This is like a main road. This is probably the most main road I'm gonna be on the whole time. But I'm only on it for like 5 seconds, and then I'm turning right. Here. Easy peasy. We made it to my buddy's house. I heard they got the wood stove going in there, so I'm gonna go in there and warm up. What's up? I got this hot chocolate and I didn't get to drink it. I'm gonna drink it now.
In the place.
How many monkeys does it
See, I
take?
think that's
Take
it.
it.
Why is
Put a
it?
seat on.
Why is it just clicking in place?
Apparently more than 2.
No, it should be clicking into this. Oh, it might be filled up with too much snow. I don't know.
I don't think that's your issue.
I don't think so either, but you never know these. Oh, wow, that is sticky. What the frick? Alright, you don't start up. Hey. What are you doing? I'm driving it.
Come on.
Give him some peanut butter. Oh, Now let's go. Come on. It's not gonna idle. You can...
What?
Oh, that was a project. That was working on back there. Keep it going. Keep it going. No, you can't let it. Didn't have gas in it. You need to be choked. Run it.
Oh.
My front wheel's not moving at all.
I think your front brakes are locked up a little.
I know, I think they need to fall out. The front left brake will not. Yo, that's crazy, never realized this.
Guess we're gonna do some riding. You can come with me, I just gotta take this backpack out of here. Look at him go. His front tire's not even moving. Look, that one front tire is just not even moving. Look at his front. Look at
Oh, yeah.
I'm going dumb, I'm trying to live it and stunt. Get anything that I want, whenever I want. It's okay to be broke, it's not okay to be a bum. Gotta move up, I never front. I keep it 100, hunt. Do it for fun, man, I do it for fun. I'm going dumb, I'm trying to live it and stunt. Get anything that I want, whenever I want. It's okay to be broke, it's not okay to be a bum. Gotta move up, I never front. I keep it 100, hunt. Do it for fun, man, I do it for fun. I'm going dumb, I'm trying to live it and stunt. Get anything that I want, whenever I want. It's okay to be broke, it's not okay to be a bum. Gotta move up, I never front. I keep it 100, hunt. Do it for fun, man, I do it for fun.
Dude, I thought my brakes went out. Really? It felt like they weren't working, so we stopped here to fix them. But I think they're good. I don't know, run a little test here. Yeah, I don't know. They don't feel like they're working as good as they should. I don't know, dude. Something doesn't feel right. I think I broke something, but I don't know what it is. Making memories, baby. What it's all about. Yeah, because that's like, yeah, these front brakes aren't working. Because normally these front wheels would totally be locked up.
Yeah, they're not.
They're not. I was going to get some music going.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, look, treat me like a rock. When you see me, I'm electrifying, edifying. They say church, when I'm
Sorry, bro. Where even is the parking lot? There's a, oh. What, is this the parking lot right here?
What?
Is this all parking lot?
Yeah, it's all parking lot.
I can never make mistakes.
4-wheel drive donuts are the best. I can't see anything! What do we hit? Let's see if we broke anything.
Broke.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dang it! Oh yeah. No good. Oh, it might just be the hub. Dude, I didn't know we traveled that far. Oh crap. Yeah, I screwed her up pretty good.
Yo, the curve.
I didn't realize we were that far. I thought we were still in the middle up there. I'm like, I can't see anything. Boom! Curb. I can't see anything! Well, I'm gonna have to leave this at Landon's. Someone will have to give me a ride home. We'll have to tow it over there to... Let me see if I can pull it forward at all. What's it doing? You think we can get it back over there?
It'll go.
I don't know. We could try to get back over there. I just have to replace these bars. I don't think this is bad here. I think this is okay. I'll have to put it up on the lift and tear it apart. It was fun while it lasted. I was just thinking, I was like, I gotta drive this home. I shouldn't break it. And then I broke it. You even told me about the curb.
Yeah, I was like, you see that line over there? That's the curve.
Yeah, I literally thought we were still up there. I didn't think we were moving that far. All right, let's get her back. I should have never started the music. Let's see if she'll make it. We're just dragging it back here. This is crazy. I'm gonna need to get a ride home now. This is what I drove here. We turned the music on and that was probably the issue. We got a little crazy.
Oh, shoot.
She's cooked.
This one's down too.
What happened?
Belt slipping or something.
I guess I'm leaving this here for a few days till I can get my trailer down here.
Is that one cooked too?
That one's been cooked.
The wheel is locked up so bad you can't turn.
Well, that was fun, boys. Let's call it a day. We hit a curb and the whole back wheel went.
So we're all cooked.
Yeah. I guess the curb was in the way. We're spinning pretty fast. We're just like, I can't see anything. Boom! Right into a curb. I can't see anything! Oh yeah. Look at the custom wheels and tires. Look at that thing. Yo, Connor, what'd we do?
We broke a lot of stuff.
We broke a lot of stuff. Both four-wheelers are broken and the RZR is absolutely cooked. And that was my ride home.
Now we're moving on to the vehicles.
Yep, we're bringing out the big guns now. When all the non-road vehicles break. See, this is what happens when us PA people get snow, because we never get snow. So when we get a little bit of snow, we bring everything out and then we don't know how to use it and we just break everything. This is like the only thing around here that's made for this. Sitting over here getting covered in snow. Oh! Slippery. You look like you're about to rob a bank.
Heck yeah.
Woo! Dude, snow shovel on the paint is crazy. Cowboy Noah, hey, what do you think of that?
A little broke.
A little bit. Makes for a good YouTube video, huh? This is my ride home right here. Yo, Honda for the win. You know, I was hoping that this snowstorm would make for a good video for next week. This is not what I meant when I was thinking that, but hey, you know what? We had fun. It was fun while it lasted, and these RZRs are made to ride them, break them, fix them, ride them again, so we'll get her fixed up. And I can't wait to get this tire off and just see what all is broken in there. I can tell that this bar is bent already, and there's definitely some stuff screwed up in there, so hopefully not too much, but we'll get her torn apart and we'll check it out. For now though, it's gonna stay here until the snow lets off enough that I can get my truck and trailer down here to pick it up. Dude, you look awesome. Let's see if it'll go in reverse. Oh yeah, she's bent. back tire fell off. Hey, now we can see what's broken, I guess. Dude. Oh man.
Now I might be able to see a little better how much it's broke.
I think I'm gonna have to replace this whole hub and brakes and everything. I think I literally will just need these bars and this hub. And possibly that bar. Hopefully not, but possibly. Oh, we'll get her fixed up. Let me go grab that tire.
I was just gonna say, why is there a tire there?
It fell off. The brakes are still there.
You don't understand. I'm standing here, I'm looking
Lug
at
nuts
it.
are still in it.
Why is there a tire there?
Yeah, the tire is not supposed to be off, but look at this, dude. Lug nuts are still in it. Brakes are still in there. All right, that is one way to remove your tire.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Well, I think that's about the extent of our snow day.
Yo, Jaden's ripping by himself.
Our toys are broke, so I think I'm just gonna go inside and take a nap or something. My hands are like red.
Turn all the traction crap off.
He's doing it. What is it?
I'm going dumb. I'm trying to live it and stunt. Get anything that I want whenever I want. It's okay to be broke. It's not okay to be a bum. Gotta move up. I never front. I keep it 100, hun. Do it for fun, man. I do it for fun.
Tried to swing it out and then flick it, but it just drove right.
I thought you were going into the ditch. I was like, oh.
I was ripping her one hand with the cowboy hat. Like, I looked, I'm like, yo, Grandpa gave it a rip.
Coffee in hand. Oh yeah. It looks so cool with the snow being so light, it just blows everywhere. Attaboy. Yeah, because now we're driving slow. We need two hands to drive. You only need one hand to rip donuts. You need two hands to drive.
Well, when you need fuel, you need fuel.
Need fuel to do donuts, don't you?
At $5 a gallon.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, here at PA, it's very rare to get a snowstorm. Most of the time we only get like that. That's about it. So when we get snow days, we like to take advantage of it. We bring everything out and we break everything pretty much. Oh, the old Chev got us back home safe and sound up on the mountain. Noah coming in clutch with the ride home. Damage assessment. Oh, it cracked it all the way through. Yeah. I better add an axle to the thing too, because it snapped it off in there. Better add an axle to the shopping list. Alright guys, well I'm over here at Landon's now where my RZR broke, and I'm trying to pick it up here. Got the truck and trailer squeezed into this little tiny parking lot. Look at this, we got the child sled, sawfish sled on here, and we're gonna try to get her up onto the trailer this way. I don't know, we'll see how it works. So far it's working, it's sliding, we'll see. I don't think anybody's sledding on this sled anymore. It's a little bit broken, but it did what I needed it to do. And these are like $5 sleds from the dollar store, so it's not a big deal. I wasn't able to back it on, so I'll have a little bit of thinking to do when I try to get it off at home. But that's all right, because I'll be at home, I can just hook it to a tractor or something. And maybe I'll just hook it to a tree and drive forward and let it fly off the back. I don't know, we'll see. That went a little smoother than I was thinking. I was like hoping it would go this smooth, but I wasn't sure how it was gonna go, but it went pretty smooth. So I'm gonna get her strapped down and then we'll get out of here. Alright guys, sorry, I already know I didn't do a very good job at filming that, but basically I was just in a hurry to get it loaded up and everything before dark. As you can see, it's getting pretty dark out because this is a small parking lot. I want to be able to get turned around here before it gets too dark. And yeah, but we got her loaded up. A little bit difficult, but not too bad actually. So that's pretty much it for this video. We got to have fun for a little bit in the big snowstorm, and that's just kind of what happens. I mean, you ride these things, you break them, you fix them, and you ride them some more. So don't worry, we'll get her fixed up. Probably not anytime soon, because obviously, as you guys saw in the last video, I got some bigger things to worry about. So once I get all that stuff sorted out and everything, then I'll go ahead and assess the damage and figure out what all we need to get. As you guys saw, we already saw that the hub is literally split right down the middle. So we're obviously going to need a new hub, and then those bars in the back are bent, so we'll need a new cradle and bars, which we can go ahead and upgrade those while we're at it. And then I know we're going to need a new axle too, which is okay, because that's the side that I didn't put a new axle on. I already put a new one on the other side, so luckily it was this side and not the other side. Now I'll be able to match that side with a new beefed up axle. So we'll have beefed up axle, new brakes, and some beefed up suspension in the back. So breaking stuff like this just gives me an excuse to beef it up and make it stronger. But anyways, that's gonna go ahead and end it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I gotta stop breaking stuff, it's costing me too much money. But hopefully no more sad videos like this. Hopefully they're gonna be on the up from here. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe. New videos every Thursday, 5 p.m. Peace.